What's up, traders? Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to talk about which indicators to use when day trading. Alright, so just before we start, if you're new to the channel guys, please leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the section below, tell us what you think, and we'll get on from there guys. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, this is my chart. It's my platform, Colmix, and as you can see guys, I've got these three main moving averages. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly get rid of them. I'm gonna show you guys how to add them. Obviously depending on what platform or broker you use, it's all gonna be different. So I'm gonna just quickly add these indicators. We're gonna be using today the SMA. All right, this is all we use, simple moving average. Okay, just gonna quickly change the SMA. So the first one we're gonna be using is the 9 moving average, simple SMA. You can choose any color you want. That depends on your personal preference. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna duplicate these 3 times. We're gonna add 20. I'm gonna make this blue color, reasonably blue. It's kind of green. I'm gonna go for the blue. And then we're going to duplicate that one more time, and then we're going to add the 200 SMA. I'm going to make this one red, okay, because this is the main indicator. I'm going to just change 9 to, for example, like a nice green. Alright, so there you have it. You've got the 3 main moving averages that you guys should be trading at all times. Okay, let me explain what these are and what they represent. So this is just a pre-market chart of the S&P 500. So basically guys, the 9 moving average, which is this green line here, as you can see, following the trend. We can go back to yesterday, and this is just an example on S&P. I can open up, for example, AMD. That would be a better example, I think. As you can see guys, we'll go back to the previous day. So the green moving average, the simple moving average, as you can see, once a trend starts, look how well this thing holds price. All right, it just rides the price. Of course, indicators are always a lagging indicator, so you should never rely on indicators itself. But can you see how whenever price comes down into this area, it always respects it? You can ride this wave all the way up. All right, this was on AMD. I think it was 2 days ago. And then this is the 9, and then I use the 20, so 20 SMA is which is the blue line. And as you can see guys, this also respects price so well. All right, and this is what most traders use. All right, institutional traders, the 9, the 20, and let's talk about the main one you should always have on your charts is the 200 SMA, which is basically one of the best indicators used for support resistance areas and to define trends. Okay, trend changes, and whenever you are in a trend, to know which way the overall trend is guys. All right, this is a 2-minute time frame. So as you can see, when price goes below the 200, right, the red line, the declining 200, we are in a downtrend guys. And as soon as we break above the 200s, you see what happens. All right, we start a new trend. All right, and when it's sideways like this, when the 200 moving average is flat, then we are in consolidation mode. Okay, so we are just basically static. We're just, you know, flat basically. All right, flat market conditions. So you can use these moving averages to your advantage whenever you're trend trading guys. Okay, so you know, if you're in an uptrend, all right, you can just use the 9, the 20 to get in better entries on pullbacks guys. All right, you don't want to be shorting into these areas. All right, you don't want to be shorting, for example, a solid uptrend like this, and whenever price comes up, you don't want to be shorting into it because it's going to most likely find support. Okay, so these are the 3 moving averages that I use each and every day, and you don't want to, you know, complicate your charts too much. I see a lot of traders out there, beginner, newbies, rookies, or whatever you want to call them. They're using just their charts look like spaghetti. You know, they look very messy, guys. Okay, there's so much stuff on the charts, and don't do that, right? This is a big tip that will lead to a lot of distractions, and you don't want to just mess up your charts. Keep it simple, guys. Okay, 3 moving averages is enough. You don't need no MACDs, no RSI, no volume, none of that stuff. Okay, you only need to keep it simple. Okay, keep it simple. Okay, trading is not hard. Okay, don't overcomplicate your trading by adding, you know, multiple different MACDs, RSIs, like I explained, all that stuff, Bollinger Bands. You don't need that stuff. These are lagging indicators, just like these moving averages are also, but we use them to determine trends and to determine better opportunities when we're entering the market, guys. Okay, they only act as support and resistance, these 3 moving averages that we use. Simple as that. Don't rely on them to, like, for example, take an actual trade off of them. Just use them as basic knowledge to determine where the overall stock is heading. Okay, so this is going to be pretty much it. A short little quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, leave a like on the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you guys next time.